Video 3 is how we see where we can use Google Sheets to compare descriptive statistics for two different groups. Come to column E. The L and the S refer to large and small cities. So if there's an S in the column, it means that that is a small city defined as anything smaller than 25,000 people. And we're looking at whether their crime statistics will be significantly different than people that live in large cities like Westland. First thing you're going to do is sort A to Z, and that'll put our data in order so that the large cities come first and the smaller cities come second. And we'll notice that the large cities go from cell 6 to row 60. I want a set of descriptive statistics for each. So here I'm going to enter average from the data sheet from D6, that's the crime rate, not the violent crimes, but crime rate, to D60. And then here, for the small towns, I'm going to do average same sheet, but now this is going to go D61. Notice that D61, right there, is where we have our first small city. And then we're going to go all the way down to the last one, which is D348. All right, so that's how I get the mean. To get the rest of them, you might try doing this. Just take the formulas that you typed here, copy them in. Now these numbers aren't going to be correct, but if we copy that right there, then we can just paste it in to the rest of the formulas. All right, here's what the data set looks like when it's complete. And what you should notice as we look at this is, by a quick comparison, we can see that the large cities, they have a significantly larger median than the small towns. Looks like it's about it's more than 2 crimes per 1,000 residents greater. They have a slightly larger interquartile range, a much larger standard deviation, and a much larger mean. So we can summarize from this that violent crime is greater in large cities than it is in small cities.